Let's create a very beautiful design for this Christmas. We will show how to create a design with a Christmas tree decoration in the shape of the ball with sparkles. It is one of the most popular winter designs, and even though minimalism is becoming more and more popular, such designs are still trending. Apply a light color on the nail, then take some glitter with a transparent base coat, or you can take the one similar to this one with the blue color. Draw a circle and fill it with gel polish, and add a drop to its lower part and begin to carefully spread it as shown in the video.
Got kick.
You can also use an ombre brush, so it will be faster to get this color fade. If your sparkles are not in the color base, you can use the same technique. Cure the result in the LED lamp and take another color with sparkles. Here we have the ones with another shape. You can also mix the top coat or base coat with sparkles instead, or just add sparkles on the sticky layer. This design can be done with several different techniques. The result will be almost the same. You just spread this color on the blue color, but fade it all the way to the bottom. Cure the result in the lamp and apply a matte top coat on the nail. Then take gel paint or gel paste without a sticky layer. Take the one that keeps volume and has thicker consistency, so you can build a side of the ball. Circle the ball, but remember that you shouldn't press on the brush, otherwise you can just smear everything and the line will be white.
Got kick.
If your gel paint doesn't keep its shape, then you can try to apply the second layer after curing the first one. But we recommend trying to draw the line with one layer. Then we cure everything and draw a bow for the ball. In order to make lines prettier, it is better to draw lines not from the middle, but vice versa, from the edges of the bow to the middle. Then we cure the result in a lamp and draw a dot in the middle of the bow and cure it in the lamp. Then apply a big drop of glossy top coat without a sticky layer. At first, apply a thin layer and then add a drop of top coat. Turn over the tip so you will get a beautiful glance. Of course, cure the tip in the lamp and that's it. Here are some other inflatable designs which you can do in the same technique and with the same colors.